Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to silence notifications on Mac. So first of all, from the top left corner of your screen, open the Apple menu. From this menu, click on System Settings. Once the Settings panel appears on the screen, from the left side, find and click on Notifications. Now on the right side, you will see different notification settings available for your MacBook. For example, if you do not want notifications while the display is sleeping, simply turn that option off. You can also turn off notifications while the screen is locked if you do not want alerts to appear on the lock screen. Below that, you will also see an option related to notifications while you are mirroring or sharing your screen. You can enable or disable these settings according to your preference. Now, if you scroll down, you will find the list of all installed applications. If you want to silence notifications from a specific app, simply click on that app from the list. After opening it, from the top, turn off the Allow Notifications toggle. Now you will no longer receive notifications from that application. Or if you only want to disable specific types of notifications, you can customize them individually from the options available below. And there you go. This is how you can silence notifications on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.